Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login 8. In this video, I will guide you on how to install Bloxstrap Roblox. So if you also want to install Bloxstrap Roblox, this video is just for you. Follow the simple steps and you'll be able to do it. So first of all, what you have to do is launch open any browser of your choice. You can see over here, I've opened Google Chrome. Now click on the search bar. Now type in bloxstrap.org. Press enter. Now you can see over here, you'll be led to this kind of interface. Here you'll be able to see three options: home, download, need help. All you have to do is click on the download option that you can see right over here. Scroll down. Now here you'll be able to see the latest version. You can also see the older versions over here. Click on the option download Bloxstrap v2.7.0. This version may differ according to the time. Now click on the download icon that you can see right over here. Now you can see over here this has been downloaded. Click on the open icon that you can see right over here. Now you'll have to choose the preferred language. You can see the box over here. All you have to do is click on it. Now choose the language of your choice. Now click on the OK option that you can see right over here. Now you can see over here Bloxstrap menu will be opened. You can see several settings options over here. Adjust the settings according to your choice. After you're fully satisfied with the settings, all you have to do is click on the install option that you can see right over here. After installation has been finished, the Bloxstrap menu will be registered as an application in the start menu. So you can find the Bloxstrap menu in the start menu. If you ever need to open the Bloxstrap menu, you can find it over there. Now click on the install option that you can see right over here. Now wait for a while. So after the Bloxstrap has been installed, the Roblox will be opened. Click on the start menu. Now you can see over here Bloxstrap has been installed. So that is how you install Bloxstrap Roblox. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.